Good morning, Bearcats. I'm CJ.
And I'm Alan. It's Tuesday, November 30th, and you're watching Cats News.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Stand by.
UIL math teams are forming now. There will be an informational meeting after school on this Thursday, December 2nd in room A335. Contact Ms. Young for more information.
The swim team is competing tonight at the Austin College Natatorium at 6 p.m. They will also announce all the seniors, so come out and support your Bearcats swim team.
The SHS yearbook staff is taking a poll of where students work. You can fill out the form at the address listed or scan the QR code. Also, if you weren't able to purchase a yearbook last year but still want one, all remaining 2021 yearbooks are on sale while supplies last. Come pick yours up in room C102.1 anytime on A days. The cost is $70.
We'll be right back after this message.
Somebody's wallet. I better go to the Lost and Found at A100.
Dude, where's my wallet? This lost and found?
Yeah. If you're wanting to play for the Bearcat girls soccer team, tryouts are today through Wednesday from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Tryouts will be held at the turf field. You must have a physical on file before trying out. If there are any questions, you can contact Coach Hawkins or Coach Winborn.
And now for the weather. For the rest of today, it will be windy with a high temperature of 75, low of 50, and partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, it will continue to be chilly with mostly sunny skies, a high of 75, and a low of 52. On Thursday, we will have similar weather to tomorrow with a high of 53, lows of 58, and mostly cloudy skies. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching Cats News and have a great Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow.